Good morning, class third. Class, this is your English literature book, and we have started chapter 13, Two Little Kittens. So, class, as you all know that this is a poem about two little kittens who are quarreling and fighting with each other for a mouse on one stormy night. So, we already understood this poem. So, today we'll complete the book exercise of this chapter. Here, page number 88, the first question is prefixes. We can form new words by adding letters to them. Example, covered, uncovered. Class, prefixes. Prefixes means a group of two letters or three letters, okay, that we add in the starting of a word. And after adding this, we make a new word. Prefixes क्या होता है? टू लेटर या थ्री लेटर्स का ग्रुप होता है जिसको हम स्टार्टिंग में ऐड करते हैं. ठीक, प्रीफिक्स मतलब प्री मतलब पहले. ठीक, तो कोई भी ऐसे टू लेटर या थ्री लेटर्स जिसको हम स्टार्टिंग में ऐड करें. ठीक, और ऐड करने के बाद वो पहले वाले वर्ड से तुरंत चेंज होकर दूसरा वर्ड बन जाए, टोटली चेंज हो जाए. जस्ट लाइक हियर कवर्ड, UN. Prefixes is UN. So we add UN, then the word is uncovered. Covered, uncovered. So in this question we have to use prefixes and make a new word. Okay. Question number A. Add UN, DIS or IN to make new words. One is done for you. Class, in this question we have to add these prefixes. In number first, indoor, disappear, unhappy, unpack, incomplete, unlucky, disagree, incorrect, untidy. Okay, so this question is completed, which is based on prefixes. Next is question number C. Write down the words from the poem which match these descriptions. Class, here we have to complete these descriptions or sentences, okay, like a clue, okay, like a puzzle, and these words you will get in the poem. Just like number first, what you do at the end of the day after closing your eyes. So answer is laid, LAID, laid. जब हम लोग दिन भर का काम करके थक जाते हैं तो आँख बंद कर क्या करते हैं, सोते हैं, आराम करते हैं ना, लेट जाते हैं ना. सो आंसर इज लेड, LAID, लेड. नेक्स्ट, अ स्मॉल फरी एनिमल विच कैट्स लव टू चेस. एक ऐसा छोटा सा जानवर जिसको फरी मीन्स जो बालों वाला होता है और जिसको कैट पसंद करती है, उसको पकड़ना, उसको पीछा करना. ठीक, तो कौन है वो? आंसर इज माउस. नेक्स्ट, समथिंग विथ विच यू क्लीन द फ्लोर. ओके, कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से हम, जिसकी हेल्प से हम फ्लोर को क्लीन करते हैं. सो आंसर इज ब्रूम. नेक्स्ट, अ हाउस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू दीज. कोई हाउस होता है तो उसके अंदर किस किस चीज़ों में डिवाइड रहता है? रूम्स में ना. सो आंसर इज रूम. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट यू बिकम इफ समवन पोर्स वाटर ऑन यू. सपोज करो कि तुम्हारे ऊपर कोई पानी मतलब फेंक दे या थ्रो कर दें. ठीक, तो तुम क्या हो जाओगे? गीले हो जाओगे ना. सो आंसर इज वेट. व्हेन देयर इज थंडर एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स ब्लो. जब बाहर खूब तेज आंधी तूफान आता है, खूब तेज हवा चलती है, तो क्या कहते हैं उसको? स्टॉर्म कहते हैं ना. सो STORM, स्टॉर्म. आंसर इज स्टॉर्म. So this question is completed. Next question. This is based on contractions. Contraction means shortcut or short form. Okay, जैसे किसी भी टू वर्ड्स को हम एक साथ लिखते हैं, शॉर्टकट में लिखते हैं, तो उसको क्या कहते हैं हम? कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस कहते हैं. ओके, और उसको हम कैसे करते हैं? जब टू वर्ड्स को वन करते हैं तो बीच में एक एपिस्ट्रॉफी कॉमा, एपिस्ट्रॉफी होता है ना, एपिस्ट्रॉफी साइन, उसका यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक, जस्ट लाइक आई एम, I will या I shall तो I'll. Okay, so this is called contraction. So in this question we have to use that contraction or shortcut. Number first, shorten the underlined words and rewrite the sentences. Class, in this question you have to make a shortcut of these underlined words. Just like number one, there is an aquarium in the hotel lobby. So there is, you will write like this, there's. There's an aquarium in the hotel lobby. Next, I am going to the zoo on Sunday. So we'll write like this, I am का shortcut I'm going to the zoo on Sunday. It is a beautiful morning. So we'll write like this, it's a beautiful morning. Next, let us help Rahul with his project. Let's. Okay, let's. Next, we will complete the holiday homework today. Will complete the holiday homework today. We are going to the park. We are ka shortcut were. Okay, we are going to the park. Okay, so this question is completed. Next page. Question number 2. Complete the sentences with the correct tense of these verbs from the poem. Class, here we have to complete these sentences by using these words. Okay, and also keep in mind the tense forms. Just like number 1, Raju swept the floor and Rane is washing the dishes. So here in number 1 you will write swept. Okay. Next, it is begin to rain. Carry an umbrella when you go out. In number 2, begin. Third, the students fight with each other over an eraser. In number 3 you will write fight. Fourth, my baby brother sleeps by 8 p.m. every night. In number 4 you will write sleeps. Fifth, Riya finished the English test 5 minutes before time. In number 5 you will write finished. 6. Rats often crept into holes that larger animals cannot enter. So in number 6 you will write crept. So class, here this chapter 13, Two Little Kittens book exercises totally completed. Hope you all understood very well. So it's enough for the day. Thank you.